is a home somewhere, but not just me, girl, you are there. We'd sit in a comfy chair, oh, wouldn't that be lovely? Lots of chocolates for us to eat. You and me would make delicious treats. This home we'd make so sweet, oh, wouldn't it be lovely? Oh, so lovely the thought of you and me forever together. I would never let you go so long as the Lord gives time, and my head resting on your knee. Soft and sweet is what you'd be. You'd take good care of me. Oh, wouldn't that be lovely? And now I'm saying that I love you. I hope you'll make my wish come true. I want to marry you. Oh, wouldn't that be lovely? Lovely, 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 lovely. Kirsten, Lindsay, I love you. Will you marry me? For you. I don't even know who's watching. Oh, wow. Oh, there's Sarah. You didn't see this coming, did you? Who's here?
Kirsten, I think people want to know if you've said yes.